So you're about to invest your hard-earned money. But what if I told you most beginner investors make the same 7 dumb mistakes and lose big time? Stick around, because avoiding mistake number 4 alone could save you thousands. Mistake number 1, chasing hype stocks. You may have seen it on Reddit. Your cousin swears it's the next Tesla. But here's the truth. If everyone's already talking about it, you're probably late to the party. Pro tip, stick to investing in companies with real earnings, not just headlines. Mistake number 2, trying to time the market. You'll never buy at the bottom or sell at the top, because the truth is, nobody ever does. Even pros fail. That's why some of the richest investors of all time, like Warren Buffett, recommend focusing on investing consistently over time. Pro tip, time in the market beats timing the market. Start investing consistently, even if it's small. Mistake number 3, investing while drowning in 20% credit card debt. Your returns can't outpace high-interest debt. Legendary investor and billionaire Mark Cuban recommends paying off all of your high-interest debt, like credit cards, first, since there's no better consistent return than 20% plus on your money. Pro tip, pay off high-interest balances first, then invest. Mistake number 4, going all in on one stock. This isn't Vegas. Even great companies fall. Just ask anyone who held Enron or Blockbuster stock in the 2000s. Pro tip, diversify. Spread your risk with ETFs or index funds. Mistake number 5, panic selling when markets dip. Markets fluctuate. Sometimes they will be up, sometimes they will be down. If you sell at the bottom, you lock in losses. Pro tip, zoom out. If you're investing long-term, short-term dips are just noise. Mistake number 6, buying something you don't understand. If you can't explain how a company or stock makes money, don't invest in it. Pro tip, understand the business. Warren Buffett won't invest in what he doesn't understand, and neither should you. Mistake number 7, waiting too long to start. Compound interest rewards the early birds. Starting at 25 versus 35 could mean hundreds of thousands more in investments at retirement. Pro tip, start today. Even $10 a week can grow substantially over time. These mistakes are costing beginners millions of dollars every year, but now you're smarter than that. Like this video if you've learned something valuable, and subscribe for weekly finance tips that actually help you grow wealth. Your future self will thank you.